Yo, what's going on, Lightshade? Can you turn off your voice modulator and let us hear your beautiful real voice for a minute? Alright, hold on, let me turn it off. Hello? Is the voice modulator off? Can you guys hear me? Is it working right? I hope we can do this mission properly, because if we fail, it's gonna pretty much suck. Looks like we're good to go, boys. Oh, we are so safe!
We're on lockdown. We're on a government directive!
We're just gonna kill him just in case. We're not trusting it right now. Don't wanna be criticized. So now you guys know why I use a voice modulator, right? Like you couldn't tolerate this for 8 hours straight. It's no good, no good. Never mind what caused it. Living a dream, nothing in this world powerful enough to pause it. Say I just wanna follow me. He's saying follow me. Follow my lead. Sig in my mouth, prescription bottle by me. 202.58 plus 42 is what? Or is it 45? I can't even remember. Oh, now you guys want me to turn the voice modulator back on, huh? First you want it off, now you want it on, make up your fucking minds. I don't appreciate this. A lot of times you leave me exposed and laugh at me, still thinking I could be in control. Help me weather the storm. Altogether, I ain't known, cause I always disagree, though you ain't never been long. Shit! I was feeling nearly unstable. Bigger shit! And now I'm facing what God damn it! Hey, fuck! Not the car! Shit! 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 Oh, so good! So good! So good! So good! Oh, that was so close! So close! My heart is palpitating! Oh my goodness! Well, luckily we did not fail. How are we still going to lose time here? Where did this 42-second possible time save come from? This makes no sense! This definitely did not take 42 seconds.
Hey, Franklin.
Alright, let me turn the voice modulator back on. Hello? We good? We're good now? What's going on? Voice modulator back on? Good to go? What's going on, Flora?